Hey everybody, welcome to JK Next Garage. So today, just a quick video on some of the stuff I prepped up in here. Not a lot, but right now is the time to get in there and do it with the trunk floor pan out. I was going to put it in there and started looking around and I'm like, boy, it sure would be easier to get in there now as opposed to later. I'm not as nimble as I used to be and I don't want to crawl through this trunk floor opening and try and get in there and get some of this prep work done. So anyways, that's what we're going to go over, so stay tuned for that. This room, I'll get up underneath here and I'll show you. You can see some surface rust, and I want to get this all prepped while I have the floor out. So I also want to get these torque rods out of here, get them cleaned up, get them prepped, and also get the plates behind here and where they go all sprayed down and everything too. So anyways, let me get this set up and I'll show you what I got here. And as you can see, I wire wheeled and brushed all the surface rust and then coated it with some rust reformer, restore stuff for right now. And it turned out really good. So now I want to finish restoring those torque rods and get those put back in place, so then I'm kind of done with all of that. All right, so some of the other things we've been doing, this is more like when it's cold out and I can't really get out here and do any prepping and painting like I did when it was warm for those few days. I put a little bit of weld through primer on here. I got this all ground down to bare metal just so I could see where the spot welds are in case I decide to drill those out. But getting some measurements from these brackets here up and over and all the way over to the trunk gutter and stuff like that, just so that when I go to put these wheelhouses in, I'm able to get all these back where they belong, right where they belong. So I've done that on both sides, written it down. I don't know. I mean, hit me up in the comments if you'd like to see where I took all these measurements from, and I'll make a short video on that. I'm not saying that they're going to be the same as yours. They are not exactly the same from one side to the other, but yeah, I don't know. It's just what I do. I take a lot of measurements so I can make sure these things kind of get back in the right place. So anyways, other than that, I've been working on these torque rods, and I got a video coming out on how I removed them and installed them and got them adjusted right. So yeah, that's coming out. The other thing is behind here, I didn't finish behind here because that'll all get finished when I take this quarter panel out and the wheel well. So yeah, that's just kind of what I've been working on in the downtime. So yeah, so this is always a good time when you got your trunk floor out. You can crawl right in there to get all your stuff prepped and ready to go. At least that's my theory anyways, because I don't want to be crawling through this trunk opening here to get in there and do it all. I understand I got to do a little bit here and there getting through the trunk, but yeah, this made it a whole lot easier getting that all prepped up. So anyways, so yeah, hopefully we can get this trunk back under the bird here, get it all fit into place, get the car back on the body cart, and get ready for warmer weather so we can really get back on this, get on the quarter panels and the wheel wells. So anyways, as always, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.